All right, so I replaced this line right here, return line. It goes up back to the filler neck tube. Replaced that. It was all gummed up and stuff. Now it doesn't make that horrible noise that it was making. So I'll let you guys hear it. The pumps are primed. That thing was leaking, and I had to get a filter wrench to tighten the filter in order for it to stop leaking. So it doesn't leak anymore, but the truck still won't start.